What's going on? How are you doing today? Today we're up at Mount Charleston again. We're going to be hitting Upper Showgirl. I'm Mike.
And I'm Kristen.
It's a little bit windy today, so sorry for the wind noise. This is what Kristen's riding. It's the 2019 Santa Cruz Bronson. Pretty nice setup. And as you guys know by now, I'm riding the 2019 Santa Cruz Mega Tower. It's the C, the S build. So yeah.
Yeah, so come along with us, see what happens out on the trail.
All right, ready to get this ride started? Are you ready? All right, let's go. Made it to the top of Upper Showgirl, and it is windy.
Really windy.
On the way up here a couple times, the wind actually blew us off the side of the road a little bit. Of course, I wasn't recording on this one, but wow, this is probably the windiest we've ever ridden in, I'd say. Maybe 50, 60 gusts. But here's Upper Showgirl. Got a nice restroom here. A little bench built by Southern Nevada Mountain Biking Association. It's got some cool like imprints of sprockets on it and stuff. It's pretty cool. You guys see that? And a chain too. Pretty cool. Here's the beginning of the trailhead. And we're about to get this trail started. I don't know if you can hear me, but we'll see you guys on the trail.
See ya.
All right, let's go. Try not to get blown off the trail. Oh no. We've only ridden this trail once. I think it was back in like November when we first got back into mountain biking, which was when I was on the tall boy, the first tall boy. Then I had one warranted. So I got another tall boy and now we're on the Mega Tower. Oh, this is so awesome. Fresh, like foresty smell. I love that. Pine, got the dirt. I don't know how to explain it. I just love the foresty areas. Woo! Oh, stay on the trail. Reminds me of back when I was into riding like 17 years ago in the Bay Area, Santa Cruz area a little bit. And that's why I like it so much too. Do you remember this at all?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, I was thinking the same thing. Take a little break on this next shady area. Damn, picking up all kinds of rocks. There we go. Here's some decent shade. Ready? Recording. Oh yeah, run over the tree stump, why don't you? It's so close. Oh, whoa. Damn, you took that corner better than I did. You teach me how to ride. Woo! Nice. Nice. Shredding it. Woo, tight right there. Woo, tight.
You're right.
Yep. Thank you.
Really loose.
Yeah. I remember this turn, like a little bit there.
And I was thinking I don't remember it.
All right, ready? Woo. Back there? Or right here? Right here? Yeah, I slipped a couple times, but I must have taken a decent line because I made it.
Yeah.
All right, found a little feature. Check it out. Let's get a shot of this, of me hitting it. You kind of got to kick it. It was a little one of those, and I don't really practice those too much. All right, ready? All right, coming down.
Pretty sweet, right?
Well, how was that? Is that lame or decent? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. All right, ready? Dang. right, we made it back to the trailhead. That was a pretty dang fun ride, except for the wind.
Yeah.
Other than that, it was pretty good. But
the wind actually wasn't too bad, like on the trail, but
yeah, I think it's a little better when we're like deep in the trees. The wind kind of, or the trees kind of block the wind a little bit, buffer it down. Yeah, but that was fun. And I'm sure glad we're here and we don't have to ride all the way back up there. up there.
Way up there. Somewhere.
It's not that long, but been off the bike for a little bit, so it's a little difficult.
Yeah.
Like, what was that, almost a month?
About a month.
We were off with my toe healing up. Yeah.
But
so
yeah, thank you for coming along with us.
Yeah, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.